Hi, I'm here to present a very interesting product, which is the Soul Chef vacuum seal stackable containers, which come in square and in rectangular formats. Now let me take you through each and every benefit of this product, every feature that converts into a benefit. First and foremost, आपने तो बहुत सारे एयर टाइट कंटेनर देखे होंगे, बट इस एयर टाइट कंटेनर में कुछ और स्पेशल है. नंबर 1, ये बना है नॉन टॉक्सिक BPA फ्री फूड सेफ प्लास्टिक से. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द एयर टाइट फीचर ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, हमें पता है कि इन आवर कंट्री, इन इंडिया, इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया, द मॉइस्चर लेवल इज रियली हाई. सो अ रेगुलर airtight container of course does its job, but this particular product has something very, very special. It brings two special features. One, which is a silicone rim. Not just that, it also has a silicone valve. Now let me tell you what this valve does for you. There is a very special air pump which is exclusive to this product, and this air pump comes in a manual form and a automatic form. So there are several airtight containers in the market and they're very good, but this one's special. And ये क्यों special है? Food दो तरह से airtight containers में रहते हैं. कुछ जो हम बहुत फटाफट we consume and finish it off, so they can stay in a regular airtight container. Because every time you open the container, air goes in, तो थोड़ा वो खराब होने लगता है, थोड़ा moisture आने लगता है. But this container is specifically for some food products which you often open and use, but because of its technology, you can keep on taking the excess air out. And I'll show you how. In just a bit, I'm going to show you how this works. And now imagine you are a small family of maybe just 2 and you want to have some pasta. And this is like a nice penne pasta, which you possibly will not eat in like 1 or 2 goes. So what you do is you open the container, put in all the pasta that you need, seal the container, and now wait for the magic. Now let me show you how this magic happens. It happens because of this vacuum pump. Now we've got 2 of these. One which is an electrical pump and another one which is a manual pump. Both are very good. It depends on which one you want to use. Today I'm going to show you the electric one. So what we do is we open the pump, place it on top of the valve, and it's very, very simple. You can see a little power button, just press it. And there you go. All the air comes out. The silicone rim around it starts tightening. It takes out the excess air, and that is where the difference starts. And did you see it stopped on its own? I did not need to stop it because it is intelligent enough to understand when the entire air is sucked out. So I take it out, and now whatever I do, I cannot open this container. Now let me tell you, how is this airtight container different from another airtight container? In another airtight container, even after you have sealed the container, there is some air left, which still remains inside food which is stored, and that ensures a little bit of oxidation, whatever little air is left. But in this case, वो excess air भी ये pump के through निकल जाता है. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये absolutely oxidation free हो जाता है, and that is why we can say that it stays 5x longer than a regular airtight container. मेरे case में I stored pasta in this. You can choose what you want to store in this, because even if you open it, you can still seal it and still take out the excess air, so it will not do any damage to your food material inside. So let me show you इसको खोलते कैसे हैं. ये ऊपर जो valve है, और ध्यान से सुनिए, इसको मैंने खोला. Did you listen to that sound? And this is not the air which was inside, because अंदर तो कोई air है ही नहीं. So this is the air pressure from outside, which is kind of, the moment the vacuum comes out, the air gets sucked in. But you don't need to worry. I can again seal it for you. I just place it back. I put my vacuum seal on top of it. I just clip it on and there you go. फिर से हो गया आपका product seal. For us, real estate is expensive, right? Some of us live in big cities, etc., where square footage is very expensive. This particular stackable container, which comes in rectangle and in square, is to suit your particular need. आपके kitchen में कितनी जगह है? आपका kitchen modular हो या नहीं हो? Even if you just place it like this, it looks gorgeous. So if I had my way, I would replace all my airtight containers by these. A set of 4 here, which you can buy as a set, or you can even buy them individually, or a set of 4 in rectangle, again, which you can buy as a set, or you can buy them individually. Now tell me, if you had a set of these 8 products with you, what would you use them for? We believe that each one of us are different and we celebrate individuality. And hence, we have something very exciting. If you love different colors, if you love customizing your dry storage. So sometimes when you want to change how your kitchen looks or a particular shelf looks or a kind of food that you keep looks different with some other kind of color and which matches your mood for that day or your kitchen or your surroundings, you can choose any of these rims which you can change. So please take home your Soul Chef for your soul kitchen.